What we at Dublin Tour Guide offer is so much more than just a tour. We want to take you on a visual and emotional journey through Ireland's history and culture. Dublin Tour Guide will give you a deeper experience than mere sightseeing, where you'll learn what it means to be Irish, truly. You'll make an authentic connection with Ireland through a guide who's knowledgeable, passionate, fun, professional, and able to tailor the tour to suit you. That means meeting you at your hotel and going where you want to go, whether that's sites, pubs, or both. Regardless of which tour you'll do, we guarantee that you'll remain entertained and energized throughout, whether you're 7 or 70. We want to inspire in you a love and admiration for Ireland like we've already done for over 10,000 people. So browse dublintourguide.ie to learn about our tours. Book your favourite, then experience Dublin with us. And when we end our tour together, you'll feel like you spent your time not with a tour guide, but with an old friend.